Ooh, this looks fun. Let's get it out and get it together. So one of the batteries kind of looks like a knockoff of a Milwaukee battery or something like that. Yeah. That's nice. It comes with 2 batteries. And of course, the power supply to charge that thing up. All right. Does it plug straight into a battery? Ooh. Little button on the front of the battery to see if it charges, or to see what the charge is on it. Both of them looks like they came charged up already. Okay, that's where it plugs in back. All right, let's get this out of the way. This thing goes together really easy. So, yeah, just pop that on and latch it in. Ooh. Okay, so there's several different speed settings. 1, 2. All right, I'll have to get that outside and try it. It'll be good for blowing the dust out of my shop here. There's also a push button here. You can push it and twist it open and hold it like this, more like a gun. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So that's the Highlight handheld leaf blower. Yeah.